Hi, my name is Jake Picken from Smooth Fusion, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to a page using two different methods. Now, for this tutorial, we're using Sitefinity's content management and digital experience platform, but the process should be similar for most content management systems. So we're going to be talking about two methods for adding a video to your website. The first is by uploading the video to a video platform like YouTube and then embedding it on your site. The second way is by hosting the video on your website. So it's going to be hosted on your web server. So some benefits for uploading or hosting a video directly on your website is that the first, you have more control over the styling of the video. So things like how the video player looks, like the controls, titles, and overall how it's displayed on your site. So you can easily add it to other areas of your website. So for example, in Sitefinity, you can manage all of your content with categories and tags. So this makes organization and searching for assets easier. But also if you want to add video to multiple pages or create a video playlist for a specific topic, then you can use categories and tags. And the next, since the video is hosted on your web server, you can potentially have better performance when it comes to speed. Now I say can potentially because it does depend on your hosting solution. So things like utilizing a CDN and having a powerful hosting solution will definitely improve how fast a video loads for your customers. And now when it comes to SEO, hosting your video on your website can help drive traffic to your site. So your website could show up in video search results, and the traffic will go directly to your website. So as an example, here are the video search results when I search for Sitefinity Insight. And you can see that the first three results go directly to the Progress website. So some of the things to think about before hosting a video on your website. So the first thing is videos are typically very large files. So you'll need to make sure you take that into account. Also, there's limited file formats. So most video platforms like YouTube accept several different file formats. But by hosting the video on your website, you may be limited to the type of video file you can upload. Now, this isn't a big deal since most of the common file formats for videos is an MP4, which is supported by all browsers and most content management systems except MP4s. The next is loss of video stats. So this is a pretty big one, especially for marketers. Video platforms like YouTube provide a lot of stats and data on your videos, like views and engagement metrics. So by hosting a video on your website, you could be losing out on these really crucial stats. So the next thing to consider is the functionality and engagement. So essentially, you're limited to the video player on your website, whereas a video platform like YouTube has a lot of video player functionality and provides easy ways for viewers to share the video. So let's go through some of the benefits for uploading your video to a video platform like YouTube and then embedding it on your page. So video players do a really good job at automatically optimizing your video. Another thing to consider is that video platforms have advanced features and functionality, so things like social sharing, adding subtitles, or even making minor edits can be done even after you publish the video. So when it comes to speed and quality, embedding a video can be potentially faster because like we said, video platforms will optimize your video, and also viewers have more options when it comes to adjusting play speed and play quality. Now, the last benefit is people can find it in two places. They can find it on your website, but they can also find it on a video platform. And by hosting a video only on your website, you could be potentially missing out on some of those additional views that you would get from hosting it on a video platform like YouTube. Now that's it for the introduction. So now I'm going to go into Sitefinity, which is our CMS platform, and I'm going to show you how to add a video to a page using these two methods. So here is the page that we'll be adding our videos to. It's just a simple test page that I set up on our website. So for this first video, we will add it to our page using the embed code from YouTube. So you'll first drag a content block widget onto the page and open the widget to add your video or content. So before we go any further, let's go to our video on YouTube that we want to embed and copy the embed code by going to Share, Embed, and then copy it. And now that the embed code is copied, let's go back to our content editor and find the code view. And this is where we'll paste the embed code directly into the HTML. So you'll now see in the content editor that the video is being pulled in from YouTube. So let's go ahead and save this. And now let's preview the page to see how it looks. So it looks pretty good. Now, a few things to keep in mind is the video size should be contained within your content block. So if it's going over the side here, then I would take a look at your video dimensions and also make sure the video code you added is in an iframe. Now for this next part, I'm going to show you how to add in a video that is hosted on your website. So your web platform should have a video library, and this is where you'll upload your video to. So here's what the video library looks like in Sitefinity. Now I've already uploaded a set of videos from my computer, but if you haven't, then you'll click on this upload video button to add a new video to Sitefinity. Now it's here where you'll also be able to edit the properties of your video. So things like video title, adding a thumbnail, or adding categories and tags to your videos can all be done here. Now let's go back to our page and add in our site hosted video. So when we embedded our video, we added a content block, but in this case, Sitefinity has a specific video widget that we can drag and drop onto our page. So once we drop that on our page, it will give us the option to select a video or other file. So then we'll click on that, and then it'll bring up a window where we'll select the media file that we're going to add to this page. So we're going to add this Sitefinity Insight video. And before it adds the video to the page, you can choose things like aspect ratio and template. Both of these things we'll keep as the default settings. So we'll click on Saved. And now in order to see the video, we will preview this page. And there it is. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of Sitefinity, then go ahead and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if there are any videos you'd like to see that we don't currently have here on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.